Bitcoin is a one-way hash. The Bitcoin ecosystem is a one-way hash. You can push the price up by buying into it with your wealth and then holding it. But you cannot crash the price so that it becomes lower than its cost of production, no matter how hard you try. It is very stubborn. No matter how hard you try, no matter what you do, it cannot be beaten in the long run into oblivion. It just can't. Once you sell out of the industry, or once you completely sell out of your position in the industry, you permanently lose your ability to negatively affect the value of the industry. Your position is closed and you cannot crash the price anymore. You cannot crash the price however hard you try. Do as you might, you cannot crash the price any further. Businesses that revolve around BTC, like cryptocurrency traders, coin exchanges, information service providers, hardware wallet producers, software wallet developers, YouTube presenters, trading experts, and all these other businesses that are built on BTC's success and who rely on BTC's success will not let it fail. They will always hodl their bitcoins and continue to accumulate. Hardcore holders will simply not sell. If they make any profit at all from the sale of their bitcoins or from their other businesses, then they will just store the value in Bitcoin. They will keep hoarding Bitcoin to keep its value up. They will not budge. It is either that or they lose everything, including their reputations and maybe even their loved ones and their societal good standing. So, although you cannot crash the price any further, what you can do is re-enter this blockchain ecosystem and create a new private key and then trade your fiat and or other assets so as to load up this private key with new cryptocurrency value. This you can always do. And it needs to be emphasized that even if Bitcoin remains hugely volatile as it continuously captures more and more global market share, this does not mean it cannot capture yet more investors still. Because when Bitcoin is at the bottom, there will always be newer investors who will want to scoop it up at the discount price. Maybe some institutional investors who have been burned previously would be scared off by a market correction. But bigger whales will want to join the game, the biggest ones likely being nation-states, who decide to legalize the currency and make it a part of the national infrastructure. To them, it would only be like a 0.1% allocation. It is clear already that the domino effect has taken root. Continuously bigger and bigger holders will join the community. This is the very nature of all markets, but Bitcoin is unique in that it can become so much more than all markets. It can accommodate and swallow the entire global market of international exchange. It is truly universal in its reach because it is in the market of money, which is the liquid that facilitates all transactions. And because it is digital. And because it is cryptic. It usually starts with millionaires persuading other millionaires to buy. And then billionaires persuading other billionaires to buy. And then nation-state leaders persuading other nation-state leaders to buy. There will always be bigger and bigger buyers who understand the market and know how to capitalize on it. Or who otherwise suddenly see the light. When we hit the bottom, this is the best time to buy. Because this is when the biggest, largest, fattest wallets experiment with Bitcoin. And then when they start to see the returns, they gradually go in bigger and harder. This all happens while the small hands and the shrimps have already gone all in. With everything they have. Everything they have. And that is all there is to it.